This video is looking at how we use the chain, the product, and the quotient rule if we just have functions. So we don't actually have to do any differentiation, just have to follow the rules. So they're giving us a table of values. It might be worth actually pausing the video and reading this. I'm going to do part A in this video. I'm going to do part B in the next video because it's quite a long process. So they give me a table of values for fx and gx and f-x and g-x. And the first thing is that px is g divided by f. And I'm trying to find px where x equals 4. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm not even going to think about differentiation. I'm just going to make p4, and p4 is g4 divided by f4. So I'm going to look up the values of g4 and f4, and this will give me the coordinate on the curve where the tangent is. So this one is 1, and this one is 2. So this is a half. So I know that one of my, or the point where I'm looking for the tangent is 4.5. So that's going to come in useful later. Now I'm going to find out what P-4 is. Now if I use the quotient rule, I need F4. Then I need to differentiate the G and plug in 4 and take away F-4 and G4, and it's all got to be divided by the V squared. So in this case, the V squared number is the F4 number squared. So now I'm going to start looking up all of these numbers. So F4, I can see is 2. G-4 is -3. Take away F-4 is 3. And G4 we already had a minute ago was the 1. And F4 dash is, squared is 2 squared, which is 4. So we're going to divide all of this by 4. And that gives me -6 minus 9 gives me -9/4. Now that's the gradient at my point 4.5. So my curve looks like this. Line, tangent looks like this, plus C. The y is a half. The x is conveniently 4. It means if I just manipulate that, then I can work out that these two will cancel. -9 becomes 18/2. I add 18/2 to both sides, and C becomes 19/2. So then my equation can become y equals 19 divided by 2, take away 9 divided by 4, x. And that's the equation of my tangent. In the next video, we're going to have a look at a bit more of a complicated one. You can see the question here where we're using the chain rule.